Turmeric water at night benefits, 10 health benefits doctors rarely discuss. Turmeric, often called the golden spice, has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries. This vibrant yellow-orange root, commonly used in cooking, offers an array of health benefits due to its active compound, curcumin. While turmeric is celebrated for its health-boosting properties, drinking turmeric water at night can amplify its effects, particularly as the body undergoes repair and rejuvenation during sleep. Let's explore 10 incredible health benefits of consuming turmeric water at night and why this practice is worth adopting. 1. Promotes better sleep. Turmeric water has calming properties that help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Curcumin's ability to regulate cortisol levels, the stress hormone, makes it an excellent natural remedy for those struggling with insomnia or poor quality sleep. Drinking warm turmeric water before bed can create a soothing effect on the nervous system, preparing your body and mind for restful sleep. Additionally, turmeric's ability to combat inflammation may ease discomfort caused by conditions like arthritis, further enabling uninterrupted sleep. 2. Boosts immunity. A cup of turmeric water at night acts as a natural immunity booster. Turmeric is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help strengthen the immune system and protect against infections. Drinking it before bed allows the body to absorb its nutrients during the night, enhancing your defenses against viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens. 3. Enhances digestion and gut health. Nighttime is when the digestive system slows down, and drinking turmeric water can provide significant digestive benefits. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which aids in breaking down fats and improving nutrient absorption. Its anti-inflammatory properties also soothe the gut lining, reducing symptoms of acid reflux, bloating, and indigestion. Regular consumption of turmeric water can also help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, promoting optimal digestion and overall gut health. 4. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. One of turmeric's most well-known benefits is its ability to reduce inflammation. Curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, making it a natural remedy for conditions like arthritis and joint pain. Drinking turmeric water at night can help alleviate pain and stiffness, as the body has time to heal and repair tissues during sleep. This routine is particularly beneficial for older adults or individuals with chronic inflammatory conditions. 5. Detoxifies the liver. The liver is the body's primary detoxification organ, working tirelessly to remove toxins. Turmeric water supports liver function by stimulating the production of enzymes that flush out toxins and repair damaged cells. Drinking it at night allows the liver to optimize its detoxification processes while you rest. By promoting liver health, turmeric water can also improve skin clarity, energy levels, and overall vitality. 6. Improves skin health. Turmeric water's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties contribute to radiant skin. Curcumin combats free radicals that cause premature aging, wrinkles, and dark spots. Drinking turmeric water at night provides the body with the nutrients it needs to repair skin cells overnight. This practice can also help reduce acne and other inflammatory skin conditions, such as eczema and psoriasis, making your skin look healthier and more vibrant. 7. Aids in weight loss. For those looking to manage their weight, turmeric water can be a helpful addition to a healthy lifestyle. Curcumin is known to regulate metabolism and prevent the accumulation of fat cells. Drinking turmeric water at night can enhance fat burning during sleep, as the body's metabolism continues to work even at rest. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties reduce stress-related weight gain by regulating cortisol levels, which often contribute to fat storage around the abdomen. 8. Supports heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of mortality worldwide, and turmeric water can play a role in reducing this risk. Curcumin helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, reduces inflammation in blood vessels, and improves blood flow. Drinking turmeric water at night ensures the body absorbs these benefits while your cardiovascular system gets a chance to recover. This practice also helps regulate blood pressure, further promoting heart health. 9. Regulates blood sugar levels. For individuals managing diabetes or prediabetes, turmeric water can help regulate blood sugar levels. Curcumin has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood glucose levels. Drinking turmeric water at night can stabilize blood sugar fluctuations during sleep, reducing the risk of morning spikes. This benefit also helps prevent complications associated with diabetes, such as nerve damage and kidney issues. 10. Protects brain health and enhances mood. Turmeric is often referred to as a brain food due to its neuroprotective properties. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, where it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress in brain cells. Drinking turmeric water at night can support memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function by aiding in the repair of neural pathways during sleep. Moreover, turmeric has been linked to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. By increasing levels of serotonin and dopamine, curcumin helps regulate emotional well-being, making it a great nighttime remedy for mental health.